This is the message the universe wants you to hear today. You are going through challenges, you are going through difficulties, your life seems to be stuck. Nothing seems to be moving in the right direction. As if everything is falling apart. Maybe you are losing on your dreams, you are losing your motivation, you are losing people, you are finding challenges, you are struggling. And amid all, maybe you are thinking about giving up. Maybe you are thinking that you have lost. You are not going to move forward. Nothing is going to work for you. Your life is falling apart. It seems like the endless dark night of your life. And many years back, I was going through the same. Stuck in toxic job, struggling with money, relationship, finances, not happy with anything in my life, not enjoying anything, not finding worth in anything that I was doing. Nights after nights, I was asking, I was questioning, I was praying to the universe, and that's when something came in front of me. I read in a book which says, the darkest hour of night comes just before the dawn. And yes, it's true. When we are stuck in difficult times, when we feel that nothing is working for us, when we feel like we do not have any power within our mind, body, or spirit, that's the time of test. That's when we have to stick to the path. That's when we have to keep moving forward. That's the time when we have to trust our own self, our own dreams, our own power, and most importantly, trust the universe, the higher power, the power that is guiding you, the power that has given you the dreams. And if you are going through that darkest hour of night, then this video is for you. This message is for you, and you are seeing it at the right time, because the universe wants you to remind. This is a reminder for you that the universe is watching you. The universe is looking at your next step. The universe is planning for you. New people are getting ready for you. New opportunities are about to knock at your door. New resources are getting aligned for you. New manifestations are getting ready for you. New people, positive people, happy people are ready to support you. Positive things are about to work for you. But you have to keep going forward, one step at a time, every single day. Because this is the darkest hour of night before dawn. Keep going forward, keep moving forward with positivity, with resilience, with power, with confidence, with faith and trust. You may fall once again. You may lose. You may struggle. People may leave you behind. You may get fired from your job. You may lost your business. But still, the power within you is bigger than anything that is in front of you. If you keep moving forward, you will see the treasure the universe is holding for you. You can experience the magic life is unfolding for you, and you can have all your goals, desires, and dreams. You can experience love, joy, and happiness. You can live in abundance, prosperity, wealth, luxury, and you can have peace of mind, happiness in your heart, power in your soul, and most importantly, you will feel closer to the universe, closer to God, closer to the higher power than ever before. This is a journey you have to continue forward, because in this journey you are not manifesting some dreams, but you are manifesting the new you, because your true manifestation is the powerful you. Your true manifestation is the magical you. Your true manifestation is the awesome you. Your true manifestation is the unbeatable you. Your true manifestation is the unbreakable you. You are truly awesome. You are truly powerful. You are truly blessed. What you need is to realize it now and keep moving forward, one step at a time. Because the darkest hour of night is about to be over. And this message is just for you. Do not stop. Do not give up. Do not lose hope. Keep going forward. Keep working on your dreams. Keep moving mountains, because faith can move mountains. And you have unlimited faith within you. You have unlimited power within you. You have unlimited positivity within you. And no amount of struggle, challenges, obstacles, failures, betrayal, or heartbreak can break you, because you are unbreakable. You are powerful. You are blessed. We are blessed. We are the blessed child of God. We are the blessed child of universe. Let's keep moving forward. Let's keep manifesting our dreams.